Hello there, this is Andy, WMSOhio.com. Today I'm going to show you a 1965 Chevy C-10 short bed fleet side. Chrome on the front and rear, looks very good. Aftermarket rims and tires, very good condition. Nice stance on this truck. Mirror trim, door handles, all the stainless around the windows and such trim appears to be original. Headlight bezels on the rear. Truck runs and drives really well. You will see some body work down here that isn't the best. Also a couple spots where some rust might be coming through. Oh, where are they at down here? A couple bubbles here. Right here on the hood. You can see where it's starting to bubble a little bit. Interior, seats in real good shape. No problem right here. Carpet's in real good shape. Everything works as it should. Get it up on the lift here for you and show you the underbody, then we'll get it on the road. We got it up on the lift here for you. Not bad underneath, pretty solid. Frame's good, suspension, steering parts are good. Bodywork, Bondo, putty wrapped around here on the bottom. Not very nice right there. You do have rust starting to come through all along, pretty much all the way around the entire outer rim of the body here. Holes right here from when, the original condition of it. So you will have that. Obviously the chrome on the front bumpers, chrome grille, all looks new. The rest of the stainless or the aluminum trim, like door handles and mirrors and around the window trim, appears to be original. Under here, I'm not seeing anything horrible to point out to you. Pretty much just all painted black, and frame looks good. Rear wishbone suspension looks good. New wood floor. Now we'll get on the road here so you can see
I got a gal named Sue. She knows just what to do. I got a gal named Sue. She knows just what to do. She bops to the east and bops to the west. She's a gal that I love best. Tutti frutti, oh Rudy. 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 Oh, wop, bop, a loo, bop, a lop, bop, bop. I got a